NVIDIA, yes and no. Yes for the long term, no for now. Not least because, well, whilst it's been overbought for ages and still been able to rise, it is now falling. Those small and medium term average prices are not just falling here, but the momentum to the downside continues and is more likely, not guaranteed, more likely to continue. Now, it may well have got a base here, who knows, but I suspect not. It might just go sideways for a bit, in which case I'm still happy to be out. I would rather be out wishing I was in than in wishing I was out. Okay, so perfectly happy with that scenario. And the danger is it turns out like this. Well, the danger, if you're in, is it turns out like that. The positive aspect is, and I want it to fall now, I want it to fall a lot so I can get in at 43. And that way I can make a hell of a lot more. But it might have bottomed out. I don't know. I'll tell you when I'll get back in, when this momentum, short and medium term prices start rising again. That isn't right now. If you want to learn little bits about how to invest better, and a free copy of this, alpeshpatel.com/links, or the links in the bio is where you go. We'll do a pension review for you for free as well. I have a campaign to teach 1 million people how to be better at investing. Have a look. Oh, and how to be calm. Thank you.